Hello YouTube, welcome back to Fred's Garage. Today I'm reviewing my brand new G0771Z table saw. I got this last September and it's an upgrade for me. I had a Craftsman contractor saw which was good, but I've been wanting to upgrade and man, this thing is great. I'm glad I got it. The contractor saw was good. It was alright, but this is like going 100% better. Nice fence on it. Moves real good. Comes with 2 inserts, 1 regular insert, 1 for dado insert. Comes with a push stick. Safety on-off switch. I upgraded with a mobile base on it. I got the bear crawl base. This thing is heavy, so you need to move it around. It just glides like that, really nice. Because this thing weighs over 300 pounds. And it's nice having the cabinets on. Everything's enclosed. Motor's enclosed. Belt drive. 10-inch blade, 4-inch exhaust port. The inside isn't sealed, so I sealed the inside with that silver air conditioning tape, duct tape in the middle. So all the sawdust funnels down to the 4-inch exhaust right there into the dust collector. And I upgraded the blade also. This thing pops off. Blade guard comes right off. I prefer to use it without it. Comes with a riving knife. Zero clearance insert is optional. I bought this later on, which when you put it on, lower the blade just like any zero insert that you make. Raise the blade to cut it, but you have to remove the riving knife because it doesn't fit. What I did is I cut the blade, the insert, remove the insert, take this to a miter saw, and then cut the rest of it to fit the riving knife. After you cut the rest of it in the back, it all fits. And you're all good. Then you can use the riving knife. But contractor saw I had didn't have a riving knife. You make the homemade ones, but it's not like having this one. It's really nice. Solid cast iron top. It's great. With the optional blade on it, I bought an extra blade, upgraded blade. It cuts really good. Cut through this maple like nothing. But it's my G0771Z. Ordered it through Grizzly. Shipping leaves a lot to be desired because it got lost in transit through UPS, but I eventually got it. When I got it, then they lost the fence. I called Grizzly. Grizzly's real good. They ordered me a new fence. I had that in a few days. But this thing's great. I've already done about 4 or 5 projects on it, 5 or 6, whatever, and it's been great. I'm glad I got it. That's my review of the Grizzly 0771Z. Alright, thanks. See you next time.